Hello and welcome back everyone. We are now on chapter 16 of the project management textbook, Oversight. Looking at our roadmap, we have just completed project closure and international projects, and we'll be moving on from oversight to agile project management and career paths. So what is project oversight? It is a set of principles and processes to guide and improve the management of projects. Its purposes are to ensure projects meet the organizational needs for standards, procedures, accountability, efficient allocation of resources, and continuous improvement in the management of projects, and it also supports the project manager. At the organization level, the oversight activities include project selection, portfolio management, assessing and elevating the maturity level of the organization's project management system using balanced scorecards. At the project level, some activities include deciding on issues raised by the project manager or the team, tracking and assisting the project to resolve areas of slowdown or bottlenecks, auditing and reviewing lessons learned, or even canceling the project. Some of the forces for change to improve project management have been global competition, knowledge explosion, innovation, a goal to beat competitors to market, and shorten product life cycles. So there's been an increase in the scope of project management and system integration, and increasing discipline in the way that projects are managed. Some oversight functions that are important to the project manager are that oversight provides support and help to the project manager where needed, determines the environment in which the project manager will implement the project, influences the performance measures used to hold the project manager accountable and responsible, and provides the oversight group a predetermined set of phases or stages in the project. Portfolio project management is defined as centralized management of projects to ensure that the allocation of resources to projects is directed towards projects that contribute the greatest value to the organization's goals. The project management office or the project office is a unit responsible for continued support of consistent application of selection criteria, standards, and processes, training and general assistance to project managers, and continued improvement and use of best practices within the organization. The Senior Executive Oversight Committee is a group or team that reviews project options available by type, new, operational, compliance, etc., confirms the business case and linkage to organizational strategy, selects, prioritizes, and balances the overall risk, ensures availability of resources and competencies, sets time, costs and requirements, and reviews the gating or phase outcomes. The project offices support the integration of project portfolios. They serve as a bridge between senior management and the project manager, support integration of project management processes from selection through project closure and lessons learned, and provides training that supports the movement of the organization to a higher level of project management maturity. So this is an example of a project portfolio cost summary report for top management, where they're looking over all the projects performed in all regions by their ID descriptions and the measures. And this is a version for a schedule so that they can see exactly where each project is in the timeline. Phases or stage gate methodology is a structured process to review, evaluate, and document outcomes in which each project phase occurs, and to provide management with information to guide resource deployment towards strategic goals. Decision gates are required deliverables, the gate criteria, and specific outputs at each gate. And at each gate there is a clear yes or no decision on whether to go ahead with the project. So this diagram is a generic phase gate diagram where there's a proposal, it has to pass gate 1, then there's a screening and selection phase to pass gate 2, and at each phase there has to be a yes-no decision of whether to go forward or to cancel the project. So the upside down triangle is a decision point to go ahead or kill the project. benefits of using phase gating or stage gating is that it provides excellent training for functional staff, encourages a larger perspective and role of projects within the organization, is a clear-cut process, easily understood, provides a structured process for a project office to follow on all projects. It eliminates poor value projects and supports faster decision making with predefined deliverables at each gate. So, the project management maturity model. Where is the organization in terms of how it approaches project management? How disciplined are they in their approach? So level 1, the lowest level, is the projects are managed in an ad hoc way. Level 2, there's a formal application of project management. Level 3, institutionalization of project management. 4, management of the project management system. And 5, optimization of the project management system. So at some point, there's a project management office implemented in these levels. The balanced scorecard model is a way to provide oversight on projects. It assumes that people will take the necessary actions to improve the performance of the organization on the given measures and goals. They review projects over a longer horizon, 5 to 10 years after the project is implemented. That compared to other models, it has a macro perspective compared to other methods of selection, and measures performance results for 4 major areas of activities, including customer, internal, innovation, learning, and financial. For our class activity, we will do an activity with a balanced scorecard. Thank you for your attention.